So we're now at step 2. So I can see the robot I declared, AMR1, and I can see the UID and copy it if need be. Here I get a quick summary. I can see I don't have any agents, i.e. the piece of deployed software monitoring data capture scenarios and executing the recording. So here I can check the data sources. I have none, so I have 2 means to add them. Let's click here. I can see the library of data sources already present in my workspace. So my current robot has the same kind of battery with the same kind of signals, and also has a motion control unit with the same kind of capabilities. So let me add them. I'll add another one so I can see my 2 data sources. Just for example, I had one I'm gonna name custom because it's a new robot, and let's say I have 2 signals, signal 1 and signal 2. So I start by adding the first one, signal 1, which will be tracking speed in kilometers per hour, for instance. Let's do it. So signal 1, then I explain the type is of speed, and the unit will be kilometers per hour. Then I had another signal named signal 2, could be whatever, and I'm going to say this one is number, let's say an integer. So now I've declared all my data sources, which is just a declaration of my robot's data streams. I can monitor and record whatever the conditions are.